How to fix unknown crash in PUBG PC? Well, there could be many reasons, but the most common reason that I've figured out is when you have virtualization enabled. Alright, so now you can see that I'm in the lobby, and when I started with virtualization enabled, of course, you'll see that my game would just simply crash after the loading screen. So let's just wait for it over here. Alright, so you can see that it just simply crashed, and the reason why it's because virtualization. So you need virtualization when you are playing PUBG Mobile using the emulator on PC, but for the PC version of PUBG you have to disable virtualization, and that is how it fixed my game. So if you don't know how to disable virtualization, then don't worry, I'll show you. Just head into the BIOS using the delete key, and mine is the Gigabyte motherboard, so your settings might look a bit different if you have a different vendor. But what you're gonna do is go to advanced frequency settings, then go to advanced CPU settings, and then turn SVM mode to disabled, and that is how you disable virtualization. And as you can see right now, it is working without any sort of crashes. However, if you still face any sort of crashes, there could be many other reasons, which of course I don't know all, but the most common reason I figured out was virtualization. There could be other technical reasons like hardware failure or RAM or CPU or low VRAM, but yeah, for me it was virtualization. So if this helped, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe for more.